Assumptions of classical linear regression model. Linear regression model. Dependent variable is a linear function of independent variable, parameters and error term. That means dependent variable will change at a constant rate with respect to change in independent variable or parameter. Zero mean value of error term. There are so many errors, some are positive, some are negative. Zero mean value of error term means on average positive and negative error will cancel out. Independent variable is uncorrelated with error term. Dependent variable intercept coefficient which shows slope, independent variable and error term. According to this model, there is no correlation with this independent variable and error term, or you can say the independent variable is uncorrelated with error term. Homoscedasticity. When variance of error term is constant for all value of independent variable, it will be called homoscedasticity. Just opposite heteroscedasticity, when variance of error term is not a constant. All normal distribution are same, that means variance is same, which shows homoscedasticity. All normal distribution are not same, that means variance is not same, which obviously shows heteroscedasticity. No autocorrelation, that means there is no relationship between error term of different period, or you can say the error term of period 1 is not related to error term of any another period. No perfect multicollinearity, that means independent variable should not exactly and perfectly correlated with each other. Dependent variable standard of living, independent variable education and income, as we know, these two independent variable are perfectly and exactly correlated. So violate assumption of this model. Here dependent variable demand, price and income are independent variable. No doubt price and income are correlated with each other, but not perfectly and exactly correlated. So this equation will go for this model.